Hello friend, welcome. This is Kotlin001. Today, to be a good Android developer, we have to learn Kotlin. Okay, starting from this video, um, we'll play with the cool programming language, Kotlin. Kotlin was inspired by the famous Apple programming language, Swift. Okay, let's get started. So my Android Studio, we'll use Android Studio as the tool to learn this Kotlin language. Okay, so my Android Studio is the latest one, version 4.1.1. And after you launch Android Studio, we can create a new project from scratch. Okay, and we don't need anything here. So normally to create an Android app we use that, right? We can start from empty and but we will not focus on the app, Android app. We'll focus on very simple playground of Kotlin called the REPL. Okay, next my application, let's do Kotlin001. Okay, tutorial, don't worry about anything else. Language Kotlin, yeah, finish. Okay, we don't need the emulator to run the app itself, so we can hide this one. We can close everything here, right? Now click the tools here, Kotlin REPL, right? REPL means REPL. Oh, read, evaluation, read, evaluate, print, loop. Okay, it's gone. So Kotlin REPL, read, evaluate, print, and loop. Okay, you'll see why. So just select anyone, it doesn't matter. Kotlin001. Yeah, this is the playground. Okay, let's move up like that. Try hello world. So the first thing we want to see is, oh, okay, maybe 2 plus 3. Not you can press on the Apple computer is command enter to run this code, 2 plus 3. And on other computer it might be control enter. Okay, result 5. Okay, so now let's run a real code. Okay, print the line hello. Okay, hello, let's be rigorous. Hello world. Okay, now command enter, hello world. So if you have any trouble on the display here, you can right click down and clear all that. So for example, we can define a value, like for example color equals blue, right? And if we want to go to the next line, we don't need to move the cursor here and do that. Anywhere on in the middle of the line, right, we can shift enter to jump to the next line. Okay, print line color and command enter blue, right? And for example, we can define the variable color equals red and shift enter. We can assign with our purple. and shift enter, print line color. You see autocomplete is our friend. Enter, command enter, purple. Okay, great. This is the first video, right, of our Kotlin tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.